Okay, let's dive right in. Today we're stepping into the steam and history of the Turkish bath. It's this ancient ritual that people have loved for ages for relaxation and, feeling purified. But, and this is a big but, this old tradition comes with some really important modern health warnings that you need to know about. So, let's get into it.
Now for this whole breakdown, we are going straight to the source. Everything we're about to cover, all the good stuff and all the warnings, it all comes directly from this single document of notes. This means we're getting a super focused look with no outside noise.
All right, first things first, let's talk about the positives. The notes point out some pretty specific health benefits that go way beyond just, kicking back and relaxing in the steam. So what exactly does the source say a Turkish bath can do for your body? According to our source, it really boils down to three main things. It's supposed to help cleanse your lungs, get rid of lactic acid, and I find this phrasing interesting. It has a toning effect on your immune system. Let's break down what each of those actually means.
Okay, so this one is pretty cool. The notes don't just say it helps your lungs. They get specific, saying that humid heat is a big deal for people with chronic respiratory issues. The whole idea is that breathing in that warm, moist air kind of lubricates everything and helps you clear out nasty particles. Next up, and this one's for all of you who work out. You know that sore feeling you get in your muscles? That's lactic acid buildup. Well, the source says the heat helps with that by causing your blood vessels to dilate or get wider. Better blood flow means your body can flush out all that metabolic junk a whole lot faster.
And here's that unique claim I mentioned. The notes specifically use the phrase a toning effect. It's not just about giving your immune system a temporary jolt. The wording here suggests it's more about strengthening and balancing it over time, which is a really interesting idea.
Okay, let's switch gears, because this next part is incredibly important. We've heard the good stuff, but our source is just as direct about the dangers. The whole tone here really shifts to one of serious caution, because a Turkish bath is absolutely not for everyone. This is no joke. So what's the bottom line here? It's all about knowing your own body. The source lays out a whole list of what they call contraindications, basically a list of reasons you should stay far away. And this isn't just about being a little extra careful. It's about avoiding some really serious health problems.
And here's that list, straight from the notes. It's a hard no if you have any kidney problems, unstable blood pressure, or any heart issues. Same goes for capillary fragility, which, just means the tiny blood vessels near your skin are really delicate and break easily. And of course, if you have a fever or you're on certain meds like antibiotics, you have to skip it. These are crystal clear, non-negotiable warnings.
Okay, so let's say none of those conditions apply to you and you get the all clear. What's a session actually like? Let's get into the practical side of things, based on what our source tells us.
The document is super specific about the timing. It says a session should last right around 45 minutes. That really suggests there's a sweet spot, a perfect amount of time to get the benefits without pushing it too far.
Now, I love this part. The source doesn't just tell you what to do. It gives you signs to look for after the session to see if it actually worked properly. You can think of it like a little report card for your treatment.
So here are the two big signs. First, the notes say you should need to urinate pretty soon after. That's a good thing. It means you're getting rid of excess fluids that got moving around in your system. And second, you should actually see dead skin cells. That's your proof that the exfoliation and deep cleaning really happened.
So when you put it all together, you get this balance sheet. On one side, you've got these really attractive benefits, right? Clearing out your lungs, helping your immune system recovering from a workout. But on the other side, you have these incredibly serious black and white risks for anyone with certain health problems.
And that really is the ultimate question our source leaves us with, isn't it? The Turkish bath is without a doubt a powerful, ancient practice with some real documented benefits. But as we've just laid out, that power demands a lot of respect. And, more than anything, it demands an honest look at your own health. So, is it right for you? Well, that's a decision only you can make.